Alright guys, so my new bag has arrived, and this is one that I've been waiting for. I got it. You guys know that if you don't know, if you haven't been following my channel, I collect travel bags. Travel a lot, and the one that's in here is actually gonna be really sweet. So we're gonna get into it. Yep, this is my bag. Alright, so here we go. Let's cut this open safely. This bag right here, I'll tell you the price afterwards. Let me show it to you. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, buddy. Love this bag. So this is a travel bag here. You can get this on Amazon for 50 bucks, folks. TOCODE Herald travel bag. I mean, oh, it's got a lock. I didn't know I get a lock with it. Sweet. I didn't know I get a lock. All right, so that's cool. I'll cut that off. But this is the bag, man. So obviously there's tons of zippers on this thing. There's just a lot that can go in this bag. So let's start right here. I can put battery packs or just anything in there. It's got a locking latch there. Then you got these locks over here on the side. So this big zipper all the way around. This is where your computer would go, down in here. And it lets you know that, because it's got a little laptop symbol right there, which is pretty sweet. You can put extra batteries, tablets, or something in there. Really nice. This is a very deep bag. And down in here, there's zippers and everything down in here. It's really nice. The bag opens up really wide and flat down there, so you can fit a lot of stuff down in there. And there's zippers on the side right here too. You store little things, little trinkets in here. This is where your cable is going to go for the charging. So you can see right here, you charge, you plug in the USB right there, and then you plug in the battery pack right here. And that's where the cable goes. Put that back in there. I love these bags that have the charging ports in there. That's pretty hot. And then, this is adjustable start. Here it is. Down here, more storage. So nice. And it's got the padding, and I like these right here. My other bag has this right here where you can lock it in place, and this has more straps on it like this too. But my other bag has the same thing where you can lock it in place across your chest area and then get it down tight, and you adjust it right here with these straps. I think that's pretty hot. It's got all kind of latches right here on there. I mean, this is just nice. And these right here lock the bag in place like that. There's a lot of straps on here, man, but I really like this, man. This is gonna be super hot. So you go around here, and this is where I can put my phone at, or just anything you want to put in here. There's tons of storage down in here. Storage is what this bag is about. That's why it's a travel bag. And I am telling you, man, this thing is really nice. It's got the USB cable port in here. I should be able to pack a bunch of stuff in here. And I like the front mounted straps too. I know I said that, but I really like this bag. So this bag will run you 50 bucks. And it actually came with a lock. I didn't know it was gonna come with a lock. You got a nice handle right there if you wanna carry it. Right here. This is the hotness, man. They give you a lock, man. Sweet. Anyway, just a quick video on the bag, the latest bag for the collection. This is a TOCODE bag. I call it the TOCODE bag. Herald Travel backpack. Really nice. So, it's your man Jay. I'm out.